2013. Got this area here. This will be detailed. This interior here. The back seats. The front, we're doing a full exterior, full interior detailing. Inside there. Don't think the headliner is that bad. Does have some water spots up there. We don't really touch the interior, the headliner. We could try to get some of it out of there, but we cannot really extract the interior of that trunk because of that opening right there. It's still gonna get wet in there. Right. But I'll take out whatever I can that's in there now. Okay, so that way and if it does rain, it won't be so much water. I got you. You got it, hon. I got you. Taking a full interior detailing. The lady went ahead and put a bug bomb in here for some reason. I don't know why she did that, but this whole thing is crazy. Look at the whole. It's gonna take us 30 minutes to take all this out of here. Disaster detail right here. What do you think, Chris? Oh, Jesus. Yeah. Got water all under that thing. Take this out of here, Chris. Take that spare out. We're not detailing the trunk, but she asked if we could. Check the water. And look what she put in the car. One can treat up to, yeah. Oh yeah, it's flooded down there. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. That's not gonna. We can't really take that water out of there. That's too much water. That's way too much water. Look at this. It's crazy. We're not detailing the trunk. We're just going to try to take this water out of there. Well, actually, pull that spot right, that little plug out of there, Chris.
You do?
No, that one right there, that plastic one, that's there.
Down?
Yeah. That should be a drainage for it. And that's how you extract a trunk. That's how you extract the trunk, baby. Yeah, we did. That's how you extract the trunk. So the rest of that, we'll just pick it up. This is going in the garbage.
This is terrible.
So, anyways, trunk extracted. Leave that plug off and we'll put the plug back in. All right, so that's a done deal. There we go. Look here. I don't know what's in any of these things. All this going in the trunk. These panels. Right here. That right there. All this. Put them all in bags first, Chris, and then we'll put them in the trunk. Glove box is filled with stuff. We don't know what's in there. But all this got to come out before we start even doing any cleaning. So let's see how it works from here. We'll check it out. Get back to you soon. First, I got the grease on them. Get them hard. Get all the tires right quick first. It's Rinse it down quick. Quick rinse, quick rinse. Go ahead, Chris. Get the other tire's rim. Go this way. Go this way. Get the tires real quick. Get them good. Yeah. Rinse the frame. Rinse the frame real quick. Quick wash right quick. Just make sure you don't wipe that way. Oh, those tape over there. Hit the tires real quick. Hit the back frame. All right, hit the trunk quick. Foam cannon. Put the foam cannon on it. No. Step back a little bit. Right there. Go. Right there. Get the whole car quick, Chris. That's good. Another one. Okay, so the interior has been fully cleaned and extracted. Before and after, you can see the interior was really bad. But we got this one good. Don't worry about it, I ain't missing nothing. Okay. This door panel completely clean and extracted. Right there, all in here, completely extracted. All inside here. Let's go on the other side. And we got the trunk cleaned out and extracted as well. This is the rug to the trunk. And we're not doing the trunk, we're just doing this over here because it's wet back here. And now, got this right here. Interior is completely detailed and extracted. You can see the door panels has been cleaned, extracted, and protected. So here, see everything clean and protected. Everything's clean and protected. Everything. We ain't missed nothing. We're gonna give it a quick exterior wash just to make it look nice and pretty. The rugs here are being dried down while we're finished. We already extracted those. And we're all set. We're gonna be hitting the wash stage now. Should be done in about 45 minutes.